Do you have trouble getting out of bed in the morning? Hitting the snooze button is so easy it puts you back to sleep. What if there was a better way? We're offering an alarm clock iPhone app engaging enough that it keeps you awake, alert, and ready to face the day every time. Get ready to play Early Bird! Lose the snooze, wake up and win! To turn off this alarm clock, you have to play one of a variety of fun minigames that engage the mind long enough for you to get out of bed. Here's our creative team with an explanation of how Early Bird works.